Good morning, children, and very warm welcome to all of you. Children, today we are going to study one very important topic, and this topic which I have taken is not from your book, but it is from your syllabus only. Especially, beta, when you get the question paper, definitely some questions are raised from poetry sections also. And in poetry section, when you get the stanza, sometimes there are questions, and in those questions it is asked that which figure of speech has been asked in the given stanza. So if students they are not aware that what is figure of speech and how to identify different kind of figure of speech, then they lose some marks. So it is very important that you should know that what is figure of speech and how many types of figure of speeches are there. You should have command over it. Then only you can identify the correct figure of speech, and then only you can gain marks in your examination. So let us start. Figure of speech, actually the most common figure of speech which is repeated, which is asked many times. So that is simile. So how we can identify simile in a given stanza? So you should know, children, that simile we get comparison. We compare two different objects. And when we compare two different objects, we use some words of comparison, like as or like. One example I am giving you of simile, Sachin played like a warrior. So if you see this sentence, Sachin played like a warrior, in this sentence we have used one word for comparison, and that word is like. And one more example I am giving you, as red as blood. In this sentence also you see we have used one word for comparison, and that word is as. So in nutshell we can say that simile is comparison between two different types of object, and we use some words for comparison. Like I gave you example, two sentences I gave you. In first sentence I used like, and in second sentence I used as. So this is simile. After simile, the next figure of speech which is asked more often, that figure of speech is metaphor. Actually, children, simile and metaphor, they are very similar to each other, or you can say that metaphor is imbibed simile. And like in simile, as I told you, that we use comparative words. In metaphor we don't use comparative words. In metaphor also we do comparison, but without using any comparative words. Hmm. For example, one sentence I am giving you, that Sachin fought as a warrior, or Sachin played as a warrior. Not fought, Sachin played as a warrior. So Sachin played as a warrior. This is example of simile, because we have used as in this sentence. But how it will work in a metaphor? How will be the sentence uh, of metaphor? I am telling you that sentence now. Sachin was a warrior in the field. Sachin was a warrior in this field. Now, children, you can see in this sentence, we have not used any comparative words like or as. We have not used. So, this is example of metaphor. Thank you, children. Rest of the figure of speech I will tell you in my next video.